So, guys, this is how you can complete the all the tasks entirely. So just click on the paw marks over here, and if you notice, the word don't says go this and that. So basically, this is actually simple. Go back to the home and minimize and go to your settings. So in your settings over here, all you just need to do is set, like the time will be set automatically, but switch it off and go with the date. Pick 25th, okay, and click outside. And once you're done doing that, you stop. You go to pause again. Just click on the pause, and we can scroll. Click on the go. Yeah, you can click on the go. And that's just how to do it, because once you switch your date to 25th, everything should work. But from this, I'm just thinking of maybe we should just wait till that will be how many hours from now, roughly 6 hours or what. So, like, the thing won't, like, it won't, you won't be, like, your pulse won't be lost. Just, but you can just do this and try to be on the safer side, okay? So that's just it. Because even though once we are done with this, the post was not even returned, so we still need to wait till that will be tomorrow.